Welcome back to the YouTube channel of We Being Fit, your best advisor for a healthy life. We are here to give you the best of all health related things. So without any delay, now let us proceed to the video. Today's recipe is bacon scrambled eggs with vegetables. As we all know, eggs are a very good source of high quality protein, and vegetables provide a source of many nutrients, fibers and vitamins like vitamin A, E and C. This easy breakfast recipe combines the grounding protein of crisp bacon and fluffy eggs with vibrant and healthy vegetables like zucchini and spinach. A variety of veggies combined with eggs make a great start to the day. This recipe takes 30 minutes in all. To make this dish, we need eggs, slices of bacon, zucchini, cloves of garlic, tomato, cup of spinach and coconut oil or ghee. Let's start cooking. Cook bacon. Simultaneously wash and chop the vegetables. Heat a pan with coconut oil and add vegetables in it and stir it for continuously 2 minutes. Crumble cooked bacon and set it aside. Then add eggs and bacon to the pan. Cook until eggs are firm. And your bacon scrambled eggs with veggies is ready to serve. You can also use carrot as a substitute for zucchini. This recipe is a perfect way to use whatever vegetables you have on hand. As We Being Fit loves this dish and hopes that you guys will also love it too. Thank you for watching it. If you really enjoyed it, then don't forget to like this video. And also let us know what would you like to see more about health in the comment section. We will be more than happy to give it to you. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And click on the bell icon so that you can never miss a healthy bit of advice from We Being Fit.